Here's how to join Audible through your Amazon account. I'll leave two links in the description down below, or probably more than two links. One will take you to this page here, which is the landing page for the Audible Standard, which is their cheapest membership, or the Audible Premium Plus membership. You'll see on this landing page that you can actually get a 30-day free trial of Audible Standard or Premium Plus, and then it's only $8.99 after that for the Standard membership. Premium Plus is $14.95 after that. The difference between the two: on Standard, you have to pick a book each month versus Premium Plus, where your credits roll over month to month. So they kind of build up. You can choose a book whenever you want. And on Standard, when you pick that book, you can listen to it as long as you have your membership on Audible. But if you do cancel your membership, those books become locked, and you have to wait until you have a membership again to be able to listen to them. On Premium Plus, you get those books and they stay in your library, and you can listen to them even if you're not paying for an Audible membership. They're still free to listen to on the Audible app when you go into your library. And then there's also the Audible Annual Plan, which is one of the cheapest ways to purchase Audible credits. You get all 12 credits up front. It's $149.50, which is 10 times that $14.95 per month for the Audible Premium Plus, except you get 12 credits. So it's a little bit cheaper. It's not 10 times, it's 12 times the credits. And so you get all those credits up front, and then for the whole year, you have access also to the Audible Plus catalog, which is 150,000 plus titles that are free to listen to if you have your Premium Plus membership. Those titles are not available on Standard, so that's one of the other differences there. But this is on Amazon, so if you click that link or any of the links in the description, you will go to Amazon and be able to sign up with whatever Amazon account you have logged in. Now, the other thing to note is if you have an Amazon Prime membership, for that Audible Premium Plus free trial, if it's your first time getting that free trial with your Prime membership, you actually get 2 credits for that first month. So you get 2 free books in that first 30-day trial for Audible Premium Plus. If you have already used your Prime membership to do that before, they probably won't offer it to you again, but that's a way to get some extra books out of that Prime membership. And by the way, there's a link in the description to get 6 months free of Amazon Prime if you qualify, or 30 days free of Amazon Prime. And you can kind of stack. If you have an Amazon account, you can get Prime for free, and then you can go get your 2 books on Premium Plus for free, or sign up for the free trial for Standard and be able to sign up for Audible through Amazon and get it for the cheapest amount possible, which is $8.99 per month, and read a book a month on Audible. So that's how you can sign up for Audible through your Amazon account.